Meaning of hemlock.
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 Hemlock. Hemlock refers to a poisonous plant that can cause death if ingested. The plant contains a toxin called conein, which affects the nervous system and causes paralysis. Hemlock has a long history of use as a poison, with the most famous case being the execution of Socrates in ancient Greece. Symptoms of hemlock poisoning include nausea, vomiting, seizures, and eventually respiratory failure. Despite its deadly nature, hemlock is also used in some traditional medicines for the treatment of pain, inflammation, and urinary tract infections. However, its use should be avoided due to the risk of toxicity.